Hey everyone, working on this BMW 3 Series F30 today, and I'm doing a similar install to what I've done on the 4 Series convertible. So there's going to be a nice little bit of a difference between that and this, and also going to be kind of reviewing this kit with some of the others that I have done recently as well, with regards to, you know, the fiber optic kits, the other LED bead kits, and obviously what this car is going to be in for, which is the actual LED Symphony kits, is the best way to explain it. These cars, I love working on them, so it shouldn't hopefully be too difficult. So the car currently does have ambient lighting on it, but as many of you all know, the original ambient lighting on these cars is very, very poor. So we're not sticking with that. We're changing it up to the LED Bead Symphony kit. So it's going to look super clean. So without further ado, I'm going to strip this car apart and then look at catching up with you all. So with the door card, in fact, let me flip this round. This is where I'm putting the hole for the door handle, and that's where I've put it for the door storage. I've gone about this quite a few times in some of my different videos, but I'll show you what this looks like with the actual attachments put in. And that's how the door handle looks. And that's how the door storage light look. With that, it's basically just a matter of just putting this into the right place, and this one separates if I grab one of the other ones. If we have a look at this just here, so this one, it just pops off. You put this through the hole that you create and it just basically squeezes in. This has a small little I don't know what to call it, excess plastic little bump, just for showing you exactly where the LED is. So that's the part that needs to be put into the hole. So that thing will allow the door handle light to glow up and put a nice little glow inside of the actual door handle. So this door is now basically done. As with the other kits that I normally do the installs of, grey and red is live, brown is earth. This is from the window switch. That's what we're doing there with the wiring. So up next is going to be putting all the doors back together and then starting off with the center console. Oh, and how can I forget? So once you've put the ambient lighting, you'll be able to slide this through. It's a little bit fiddly, but you can get it through to the other side, just like that. There we go. Wow, I'm surprised I did that first time then. And then just cut it to trim to fit inside of the old ambient lighting strip. And then that will be done. Connect up the box, all good. So picking up on the project, I've got all the fiber optic ones in place. So one just across here, and the two are lined up in, I guess, the right ways. So the livener for the cigarette lighter and red and grey wire for the remote live. That's going to tell all of it to turn on only when it gets dark, when it's going to look at its optimum. And yeah, so it's been pretty good fun. I'm kind of skipping through a lot of this because you guys know I've done quite thorough videos on how to do all of this in some of my other videos. Right now, the next step is going to be just tidy all this up, get the lights into the right areas, you know, get the one coming across here, getting the other one going across there. Without further ado, let's carry on with the rest. So if we quickly just turn off the interior lights, you can see just how this looks, and wow, that looks amazing. I don't get sick of seeing it on the car. You know, when you're walking up to the doors, the way it lights up the entire thing, and when you're actually sitting inside, the way it nicely lights up your whole arm. I've got the whole thing on like a display mode with the footwells, but it just looks stunning. I'm going to take some photos of all of this. Got the nice light on the door handles just over here. Loading up the app. You can control basically the footwells and the door handles to be one set color, along with everything else as well, if you really wanted to. Or I'm here with the, just set it so that the Symphony kit works on its own. It just looks so cool. You know, you can do other things. Just stunning. Really love this kit. So that's the car all done and dusted. Now what I'm going to do is get the car out of the garage, and then we can discuss the differences between this ambient lighting and the other fiber optic ones, which is going to be kind of interesting to kind of go over with you all. I think it's fair to say that winter has started to kick in. So I'm starting to wrap up again because I'm not about that life. But I'm a big advocate for the LED bead kits now, depending on the car. Now, this is the important thing. Obviously, you're watching this on the BMW F30, and in my opinion on this car, this is the kit to go for. It's a little bit more kind of, you have to be a bit more careful when installing it. At the same time, the kit is a little bit more money, but the results of it far outweigh anything that you can get from the fiber optic kits. I'm sorry, I love the fiber optic kits, but these LED bead kits for the F30, or you know, basically the 3 Series, the 4 Series, and a lot of the newer cars where you can just use straight lines, this is the kit for it, because it just fits in so nicely. Light is so nice and bright as well. It looks really modern, especially when it goes across the dash like that. It's really important to have as straight of a line as you can. With the fiber optic kits, I always struggled with getting that line perfect underneath the dash. For a lot of the times, you have to do some trickery to get it to kind of stay in place. But with the LED bead kits, you don't have to worry about that. It's fantastic. It's because it's already kind of solid already. The only bit that's a bit hard with it is towards the left hand side. You got these 2 little pins to hold the actual trim piece in there. They make it a bit more difficult. If you take your time, you can get it done really nicely. And yeah, I think the doors as well, it looks better. Yeah, I think we're gonna end the video here, and yeah, hopefully I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. I'm actually doing an ambient light install on this Mercedes C.
How may I help you?
Whoa, that was very sensitive. But yeah, I'm basically...
What can I do for you?
No, I don't want you to do anything. Cancel.
Could you repeat your input, please?
What the? Just because I said the word Mercedes.
What would you like to do?
No. Cancel. Okay, so this A-Class, hopefully that didn't trigger it. Nope, it didn't trigger it. So this A-Class is what I'm working on, doing a full ambient light install. This is the one that I have actually done a starlight kit on, which, ooh, wow. I don't get fed up of seeing that. Subscribe to the channel to see content like this and all the other stuff I get up to with related to cars. And hopefully I'll see you all in the future. Links for everything that I've used will be in the description down below, as well as other information if you want to book in with me, or if you want to just get some more information or anything like that. I'm sorry if I have slow replies. I'm one person trying to manage everything all at once. Life is pretty intense these days. But yeah, right everyone, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Oh, and YouTube, please recommend 2 nice videos for my viewers. Thank you.